Hello, my babies. Welcome back to La Familia, to my little community, my family here in the internet. How are you? I hope everybody is feeling amazing and blessed. I'm back today. I've been a few days off. I was dealing with something that came unexpected. I picked myself up and I wanted to just film today and, if possible, just inspire you and let you know that when things happen in your life, it's because seriously there is something else that is coming and that is better. Even I preach this, and sometimes I have to remind myself to continue, going forward and not look back, because how on this earth are we going to progress and get somewhere if we stuck on the same place? Like, how on earth? How is that going to happen? And you know what? The changes that are coming to your life, some of them are going to be scary, some of them are going to be needed. I want to remind you guys that change comes because you have leveled up and because you deserve that thing that is coming. And I'm telling you, the way God and the way the universe have worked out in my life. So it's been not long since I moved here. I'm gonna move again, and I was not expecting this. The day I found out, went to work without sleeping. I got a fever on my lip that you probably cannot see, but nobody can see it, but I can feel it, and it's a little bit better now, thank God. So it's not just me, it's all of us. The owners of my house are coming back. So yeah, that's how life is. Sometimes you have to prove to yourself and to God that you have enough faith and that you walk by faith and not by sight. Like, even if you cannot see what's gonna happen and what is in store for you in the future, next week, tomorrow, next month, you have to trust that things are gonna work out. Because one thing I know is that things always get better, even though it might feel like everything's crumbling. Trust me, it's crumbling because there is a miracle and there is an experience and there is a blessing that is coming your way, and you are ready for that blessing. So even though it looks like this was unexpected, I was not happy the day that this happened. I was really upset. I did not sleep whatsoever. I went to work, woke up at 5 in the morning. I closed my eyes, woke up, and oh my gosh, my alarm went off, and I could not understand the same level of stress that I went through personally. It's how quick it really got sorted. Yesterday, I sorted out a new place for me. It's better for the future for many, many reasons. And I'm going to be closer to people that are my number one in my life. So I'm really happy. The circumstances weren't the easiest. And now I feel like God has put me in a place where things are just going to be easier and more how I want them to be. This is maybe because I let go of resistance. It's an accumulation of things. It's an accumulation of synchronicities that I've been seeing as well. When I was going through this, I have autoplay in my YouTube playlist. So there has been like many videos, for example, that have been popping on my screen, like with certain title and certain message. And I feel in my heart that that's like a message for me from God and for what I was going through. Like, I'm here, like I know what I'm doing, just bear with me, and it's so beautiful, the fact that we know we don't walk alone in this earth. We tend to feel that we are alone, and then we forget that there is a bigger power out there that rules. We can never forget to be thankful and to be grateful for what you have, because bigger and better blessings are coming your way. And maybe you don't see it now, but the way God is going to bless you, you have not you have no idea. And in my mind, I was wishing, oh, I wish I lived in a place like this, and I wish. And yeah, maybe you can have everything, but definitely I got a few of the things that I wanted. So I'm really happy. I'm pleased to say I'll be progressing in my life in different aspects as well. So I'm looking forward. This year has been good to me, but next year is gonna be better. It always gets better. That's the main thing. When you continue believing that everything's okay and everything's working for the greater good, you are going to be okay. Once you get to the point and you reach that moment where you will look back and you'll be like, oh my gosh, I understand now why I was going through this. So don't be afraid of change. how the heck you want to change your life if you are on the same place? So don't be scared of change. Don't be fearful. Be fearless. Like, be raw. Be courageous. Be strong mentally, and be capable as you are, and know that you are capable to face anything that the world throws at you, because you are not alone, and you have the biggest power and the biggest creator working with you. You are blessed already with whatever you have. So it's gonna get better. I promise you. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new, thank you for coming and clicking on this video. If you come back, thank you so much. So please, if you like this video and you want more motivational and positive videos, please subscribe and click the bell button as well, so you get notified. And until my next video, remember to let the world know who you are. Because we all need you here. So let's help each other out, and I'll be back real soon. I don't know if here or there with a new video. So until then, besos. Bye guys. I love you.